Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Jurisedge Academy with another review session for LLM entrance examinations of 2021. This review session is for BHU LLM entrance examination, where we will be discussing about exam details, tentative date, structure, syllabus, and how to approach the entrance examination for BHU LLM entrance year 2021. So, as I've already mentioned, the minimum exam details for the examination, one should know as to how and what this examination is all about. So, the eligibility for examination is you should have cleared your LLB 3 or 5 year respectively with 50% of marks in aggregate. The type of question in the examinations are objective type. Number of questions asked are 120, for which every answer which is right carries 3 marks, and there is a minus marking where -1 is for every wrong answer. Total mark hence counts for 360, and cutoff for this examination varies from year to year. Generally, it falls between 160 to 180, but the highest marks may vary from your 230 to 270 as per the standard of question paper. Centers for this exam, there are around 45 examination centers across India for this examination. Coming to the tentative date of the examination, so each year this examination is conducted in the month of May, for which applications are out in the month of February. This year applications are not out yet but are expected to come in the month of February, so you can continuously check the BHU page for checking the application procedure and the dates for the respective LLM entrance examination. Coming to the course structure, BHU is one of the elite and traditional and premium university, giving you a variety of courses for your master education. For a record, BHU is also famous if one has to pursue preparation for judiciary, as it gives you a lot of scope as well as time to manage your judicial preparation parallel to your LLM course structure, as the course structure is kind of structured in a manner to prepare you for such examination. In BHU, there are basically three course structure for LLM, that is 1 year, 2 year, one is a specialization in human rights, that is your HRDE program. So in 1 and 2 year, you get varied specialization from criminal to IPR, and in 1 year, there's general LLM as well. So for respective, but the specialization are mainly based on the intake of the student and interest of the students. So this shuffles year to year basis, but there are some specific specialization, that is your constitutional law, that's your family law and criminal law. Apart from these, specialization vary as per the student intake and the interest respectively. But there's another constant program as well, that is your specialization in human rights. Coming to the syllabus portion, as I kept mentioning and repeating again and again, the syllabus for all the entrance exam along the preparation for master course is more or less similar. What one needs to understand is to have a grip of all this basic subject, and then one can approach different examination parallelly. The minimum difference would be in one examination there might be one particular subject having a major portion, and in another there might be another subject. But if you see a general approach, then majorly these are the same subject along the line of all LLM entrance, which if one prepares in a very better manner, or what I should say in a very keen manner, one would be able to have too many options after one is done with their LLM entrance examination. Coming to BHU, again constitution marks a very important portion, and one needs to be well versed with the recent case laws, changes into amendment, ordinance bills, and what changes are being brought by the ordinance bills. So legal affair or the current affair around constitution is mandatory, I guess, in all the examination, and then followed by different subjects respectively, as mentioned here as well: jurisprudence, IPR, contract law, tort law. I have been repeating again and again for all those subjects where act is there. I should say again and again, one should be well versed with the sections which one has read in the law school curriculum very well, and apart from that, an over understanding of BEAR Act plus a guide would be very helpful to know or to mark the important judicial approach towards cases and important cases as well. So that's an overview of like how to approach with all these subjects. We will be continuing with syllabus in the second slide as well. Continuing with syllabus, as I said, these are again the basic subjects in which your criminal law in Banaras Hindu University consists of a good portion from criminal procedure code as well. Generally, it's IPC in most of the examination, but in BHU, your criminal procedure code also marks the equal number of portion or cases as well as the judicial approach and the development in criminal law as well. Like for example, recent POSCO laws or recent POSCO amendment or amendment in criminal code, all such mark a very base or important base in Banaras in the university examination. And so is the case with personal law. A very concentrated focus is also done in entrance examination regarding the personal law, and one should approach again the recent ongoings around the personal law as well, like the recent co-parcenary judgment or any other amendment which is being brought in personal law marks or needs your attention equally as you are paying attention to constitution or other developments in other laws as well. So this is a like overall how one should prepare. I need not to repeat with every examination how to approach the particular subjects approach is more or less similar. Again, I am saying in one there might be one subject which is very important, in another there might be another subject which is equally important. So this is all about BHU LLM entrance analysis. Thank you from Jurisedge Academy, and all the best for your preparation and exam as well. Thank you.